The value of everyone's favorite meme token, Shiba Inu, has increased by 16.5% as of 11 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, since Friday afternoon at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Following a very remarkable month of January, in which the price of this cryptocurrency skyrocketed by more than 40%, there was yet another huge shift over the weekend. The action that was taken today appears to be connected to the recent announcement that the cryptocurrency exchange BitGet has launched Bone, a token that is designed to be used on ShibaSwap and can be used to pay gas fees on Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network Shibarium. Investors will have the ability to vote on governance initiatives and pay for fees using this token. We would like to welcome you to Cross Crypto News. This is undoubtedly a move in the right direction for the Shiba Inu team in terms of raising awareness around the network's impending upgrades. While the community waits for Binance to make a decision on whether or not Bone will be listed, this is certainly a step in the right direction. It is noteworthy that this year Shiba Inu has performed relatively better than other meme tokens, given that this is the case. SHIB has seen an incredible year-to-date rebound of roughly 65% as of the time this article was written. This has resulted in a narrowing of the gap between these two tokens, which had reached record lows relative to rival meme token Dogecoin. The recent listing of Bone on a cryptocurrency exchange is exciting, but ahead to the launch of this network, investors will undoubtedly have a strong interest in observing a broader adoption of this token by other significant exchanges. Having said that, this piece of news has definitely had a substantial impact on the price momentum of Shiba Inu, with speculators speculating that further gains could be on the way in the near future. This upcoming Shibarium upgrade has the potential to bring some significant new capabilities that end users can benefit from. Following the first launch of Shibarium, investors will want to keep a careful eye on key KPIs such as transaction volumes and development activity on the platform. This sort of hype-driven catalyst could result in a continued rally in this high beta token, but that remains to be seen. The team of analysts at Motley Fool Stock Advisor has released their 10 best buys now, and Shiba Inu was not one of them. The online investment service known as Stock Advisor has outperformed the stock market by a factor of 3 since the year 2002 star. And the crew has just announced their top 10 picks for best deals right now. The sentiment analytics tool drew attention to the increasing number of whale-tier transactions on two assets that have generated a lot of controversy, Shiba Inu and Cardano. When the number of large transactions on a network starts to spike, particularly those worth $100,000 or more, this is a historical indicator of impending price swings, and these movements should be actively followed. The value of the meme token known as Shiba Inu has recently experienced a meteoric rise, increasing by more than 20% in just a few short days. Even though the robust price jump was followed by certain reversal signals, such as a negative RSI divergence, the rise in large transactions on its network should not be disregarded. This is because it indicates that more people are becoming interested in the cryptocurrency. Cardano, on the other hand, has been making consistent progress but has not nearly gotten the same traction as Shiba Inu. Cardano has not yet seen the same amount of excitement as its competitor, despite the increase in the number of significant transactions that have taken place on its network and the recent debut of the DJED stablecoin. The increase in transactions at the whale tier, on the other hand, may be a sign that Cardano is getting ready to pick up some steam in the not-too-distant future. It is essential to keep in mind that such massive transactions may also be an indication that prominent investors are taking profits or making significant moves in the market. It is vital to maintain a close check on these indications and make informed judgments based on the available information rather than succumbing to the fear of missing out, FOMO, while the recovery of the cryptocurrency market proceeds. The increase in the number of whale-tier transactions on Shiba Inu and Cardano should not be ignored since it may be an indication of a possible shift in the market. Investors should actively follow the movements of whale addresses, particularly during key moments in the market. At the time of this publication, the price of SHIB on the market was $0.00000146, while the price of ADA was 39 cents. Binance US, a subsidiary of the global cryptocurrency giant that is based in the United States, has not been impacted by the sudden suspension. In spite of the news, the value of BNB, the native exchange token of Binance, remained unchanged. Beginning in February, SWIFT fiat transfers for individuals whose totals were less than the threshold of $100,000 were discontinued by the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, which is situated in the United States and is a bank focused on cryptocurrencies. Investors are rushing into Shiba Inu in the days leading up to the debut of Shibarium in order to take advantage of any potential gains before the highly anticipated launch ceremony. Over the course of the past month, the value of SHIB has increased by more than 70%, Leash has grown by more than 50%, and Bone has appreciated by 60%. The head of development for the Shiba Inu project, Shitoshi Kusama, is putting in long hours to guarantee that the beta release of Shibarium goes off without a hitch. Shitoshi Kusama expressed his desire for the launch of Shibarium to be FUDless in a post that was made on the official Shiba Inu Telegram group. After a series of setbacks and postponements, the stakes are extremely high, and a successful launch of the network is anticipated. The recent appearance of green numbers around the ecosystem is interpreted by many owners of Shiba Inus as evidence that the coin's future is headed in the right direction. Despite a general downward trend in the cryptocurrency markets on Monday, trading in Shiba Inu continued to occur very near to recent highs. Earlier on Wednesday, the SHIB/USD pair reached a high of $0.00000148. This comes after the pair reached a bottom at the level of $0.00000141 on Sunday. On Saturday, the value of the meme coin reached its highest point in the past 4 months, $0.00000159, but, since then, it has decreased as traders have sought to secure profits. SHIB continues to trade near recent highs despite a drop in crypto markets on Monday. Biggest movers. Despite the fact that the market saw a decline on Monday, the price of Shiba Inu has maintained a level of stability that has allowed it to remain near to recent highs. As the markets continued to respond to record low unemployment data in the United States, most cryptocurrency prices went down throughout today's trading session. During today's trading session, the price of Avalanche fell, bringing it closer to its lowest point in a week. Despite a general downward trend in the cryptocurrency markets on Monday, trading in Shiba Inu continued to occur very near to recent highs. Earlier on Wednesday, the SHIB/USD pair reached a high of $0.00000148. This comes after the pair reached a bottom at the level of $0.00000141 on Sunday. On Saturday, the value of the meme coin reached its highest point in the past 4 months, $0.00000159, but, since then, it has decreased as traders have sought to secure profits. SHIB continues to trade near recent highs despite a drop in crypto markets on Monday. Biggest movers. When we take a look at the chart, we can see that the fall started when the Relative Strength Index, RSI, was unable to break out of a ceiling at the level of 80.00. The index is currently tracking at 77.02 as this article is being written, which comes as bulls have rejected a breach of a floor at 75.00. In the next days, SHIB bulls will likely strive to reclaim the high they reached the previous week, but in order to do so, they will need to break above the 80.00 level.